is National Hair Braiders Day, and I'm doing something that I never do. I'm going to be trying a new hair product. This is by Mielle, and this is their Rosemary Mint Strengthening Palmate to Oil Scalp and Hair Quencher. Ooh, excited to give it a try. As you can see, never used it, so this is my first time. Now, I don't like to use new hair care products because I've had bad experiences trying new hair products, and it always makes me nervous because it can dry my hair out really easily. Let's smell it. It smells good. It smells like a really good hair oil. So I'm going to braid up my hair using this scalp oil. I've put it on both sides of my part and added a little bit to my hair. Now I need to do this protective style right before I color my hair. As you can see, it's in desperate need of color. But I usually like to do a protective style prior to that. So I'm just gonna braid this up here on National Hair Braiders Day. And so far the Mielle feels very hydrating, so I'm happy about that. Now I'll probably wear this protective style for about a week before I color my hair. I don't have any certificates in hair, but I've been braiding my hair since I was a little girl, so I do know what I'm doing. It's just not always perfect. It's just what it is. Alright, let's add a little bit more Mielle because it's starting to feel dry. Alright, just added a little bit more to the ends. Trim it out a little bit. Alright. It's going really well. I will let you guys see the final results when I'm all done. But so far, so good. And here is the final look, you guys. I thought the Mielle worked out beautifully, and I can't say that I recommend it yet. I'm gonna wait a couple of days, see how it wears, and let you guys know my update. But so far so good. I'm loving the results, and let's just hope that it keeps my hair hydrated. Happy National Hair Braiders Day! And until next time, stay fashionable. Bye.